Here we are at Jordan Lake. It's supposed to be up in the mountains, and we didn't make it. Nothing but vehicle trouble, so we've come here to Jordan Lake, and there's Scotty having a great time.
Yeah.
And Jeremy. Hi, Jeremy. Say A, B, C, D.
Can you count? 1, 2, 3. Say hi.
Here's our beautiful mother. Oh, wow. Notice some fine legs sticking out there.
2.
And then over in the background we have Carla Suzanne taking a break.
Oh, God.
You see her nice and comfy in the hammock right now, but just moments before she did the double take and fell right over. So funny.
Tomorrow's my birthday.
Beautiful leaves. Here he is, the birthday boy, acting like a monkey.
What you say?
Ow.
Scott, pull your shirt up, boy.
Oh. Poor Scotty. I wouldn't even be able to make it. You want to come do it? Me. You want to go do it? I'll try it. You can't do it. I'll do it.
Don't get my head in there.
Here's the vision of loveliness. Truly beauty.
She's on video. Say something
You
funny.
need to get your snot-covered shirt in there.
Pretty.
Oh, and the beautifulest mother in the world.
Thanks for noticing.
Oh, there's Scotty. Here's our campground.
There's Carla on the... Honey,
Yes, ma'am.
there's Carla on the...
Okay. Pretty. There's Cuckoo.
Nope.
Ow.
Here's Jeremy enjoying himself on vacation. Say bye. What'd you hear? What's that? What is it? Plane? Plane?